Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about Dallas truck accident attorney. Okay, let's start the main video. If you were in an accident involving a big rig, 18-wheeler and the insurance company is calling you, stop. Do not talk to the insurance carrier until you have consulted with an attorney with experience in truck accidents and commercial automotive coverage claims. All too often, accident victims allow insurance claims reps dictate how compensations will be handled. But a claims rep's job is to mitigate the cost. Insurance companies are liable for. Their job is not to make accident victims whole again. In fact, often their responsibilities to the insurance company they work for can come into direct conflict with what is the best for you and your family. Claims offered from insurance carriers made to people without attorney representation are typically far value adequate, nor do they often meet the full extent that the law and insurance policies allow. Insurance companies know that most people are ignorant of the highly complex system of Texas law as well as insurance technicalities involved in claims and how they may apply to each unique situation. Even experienced insurance professionals typically are not equipped to understand the nuance of the commercial claim. So it is critical that you speak with an attorney experienced in this type of case before proceeding. Even if we, Even if you decide not to work with an attorney, that detailed consultation can be critical to your ability to understand issues at stake, at least from a basic standpoint. One of the most terrifying experiences that can happen on the road is having a collision with a truck trailer, semi-truck or 18-wheeler. Too many of these truck accidents end in fatalities or serious long-term physical impairments, resulting in huge financial losses, medical bills, and a hard rehabilitation process. Seeking compensations to the associate some of the monetary burden is the least our team at the Barber Law Firm can do for victims of truck accidents, their families. If you are a loved one who has been involved in a truck accident and are considering pursuing legal action, consult the truck accident lawyers at the Barber Law Firm today from a free consultation. Accidents involving large trucks occur each and every day. Each year, nearly half a million large trucks, also called tractor trailers or semis, are involved in accidents in the United States. Approximately 5,000 of these accidents involving semi-trailer trucks result in fatalities. In fact, one out of every 8 traffic fatalities is caused by a collision with a large truck. Not surprisingly, most of the injuries and fatalities involved in a truck accidents are passengers of the vehicles struck by truck trailers. Truck drivers typically escape unscathed, having the advantage of much larger vehicle to protect them in an accident. Dallas semi-tractor trailer accident lawyer Chris Barber represented 18-wheeler accident victims, their families and friends who have been sustained serious body injuries because of the negligence of a truck or other driver. Why chose the Barber Law Firm? If you are someone you love is the victim of an accident involving a tractor trailer, it's critical to seek legal advice from an experienced personal injury attorney who has plenty of experience in representing truck accident victims. Cases involving tractor trailers are not your run-of-the-mill personal injury claims. Those cases involve a large number of extra moving parts, such as administrative regulations and the possibility of multiple defendants who may hold responsibility for your injuries. Dallas truck accident lawyer Chris Barber has the experience it takes to represent you from accident involving injuries such as injuries requiring surgery, stretcher, staples, traumatic brain injuries including those caused by oxygen deprivation, severe burns resulting in significant and permanent scarring, mental anguish, emotional distress, injuries caused by a collision with a driver that is drunk, impaired, or otherwise under the influence of narcotics or drugs, and in the worst case, death. Former of compassion for victims of track accidents. If you or someone you love has fallen victim to a track accident, you likely already know that there is an amount of money that can make a person whole after such an accident. Compassion can, however, help to avail some of financial costs that the person can face after a track accident. A personal injury claim can provide financial compensations, also known as damages, for their falling. Medical expenses such as hospital bills, surgical cost, and cost of medical equipment need after an accident. Rehabilitation cost and cost of long-term care if you are permanently disabled. Income that you have lost as a result of being unable to work after accident, as well as lost earning capacity of you are unable to return to work permanently. Physical pain that you suffered during and after your accident. An emotional trauma that you have been endured as a result of your track accident, such as depression, anxiety, and an inability to sleep. Don't trust an insurance company to be on your side. After a track accident, you are likely to hear from an insurance company very quickly. Whether it be your own or that of the truck driver, no matter how caring the person on the other end of the phone may sound. It's important to be on guard when talking to an insurance company. Don't be fooled into thinking that an insurance company, even your own, has your best interest in mind. At the end of the day, an insurance company is a business, and the main goal of business is to be as profitable as possible. When it comes to insurance companies, unfortunately, this profit is made by shorting well-deserving victims out of compensations that they are entitled to. Whenever you are dealing with an insurance company, it's simply important to keep the following tips in mind. Know your calls are being recorded. This isn't for training and quality assurance, as some insurance responsibilities may tell you. Rather, the point of these recorded phone calls is to use your own words against you if you were to slip up and say something that might sound incriminating. Don't sign any paperwork without an attorney's go ahead. You will likely receive a stack of paperwork after an insurance company contacts you. Be sure to have an attorney review any paperwork that you sign, no matter how harmless it may look. Insurance companies love to slide harmful clauses into the fine print to say that disoriented victims can sign their rights away. You can be sure that if an insurance company drafts the document, it is in your favor. Additional rules and regulation for truck drivers. While on the road, truck drivers are subject to all of the ordinary laws that preparation to any driver. To increase the safety of others on the road, truck drivers are also founded by additional rules and regulations which regularly near every aspect of the truck driver job, as such as requiring all large truck drivers to obtain a commercial driver license, setting a lower blood alcohol content level to be considered driving drunk, securing cargo safely and regulating the types of material that a truck can carry, and regular maintenance of the truck trailer.